After unpacking, the battery needs to be fitted with a fuse. Take care to keep the plug-in dry and clean. Check the battery level and charge as needed. On one side of the machine, unscrew the folding handle and adjust the folding handle, then screw it tightly. At the bottom of the machine is the loading plate. Just open it. Just plug the battery pack into the rail. Click on the battery start button. Then the battery lid display screen will be lighting on. Switch change for up-down staircase mode and fast-slow speed mode. Operation button. Unfolding of the climbing mechanism. Folding of the climbing mechanism. Folded and unfolded climbing device status. Do not step on the motorized position of the stair climber. The machine has a safe stepping area. Put the cargo on the toe plate. There is 2 methods for it. After putting away the cargo, fix one side of the safety belt buckle and then surround the cargo. Adjust the length of the strap. Hello everyone, I'll explain to you how to use the stair climber. When the product works, the length of the outer stair at 3 points shall not exceed 680 millimeters. First, turn on the power switch. Switch to the upstairs mode and select the slow gear. Turn on the climbing mechanism. Ensure that the stair climber's tracks are resting on the steps. Then, you stand on the 3rd step from the wheels. And keep one of your footer behind another. Finally, hold the powered stair climber handle and press down. Upstairs complete. Folding of the climbing mechanism. Turn off the power. Going downstairs, turn on the power. Unfolding of the climbing mechanism. Switch to downstairs mode and slow speed mode. Keep your hands on the handrail.
XSTO, ease your way to anywhere.